Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best portable blender. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and super convenient blender, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Hamilton Beach 5117. Let's get started. Product features: portability and convenience. The Hamilton Beach 51171 stands out for its amazing portability. With a 14-ounce BPA-free travel jar that doubles as a go cup, it's perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The drinking lid is spill-resistant, and the slim design fits most car cup holders, ideal for travel, work, or gym. Powerful blending performance. Don't let its small size fool you. This blender comes with durable stainless steel blades that crush ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens with ease. Whether it's smoothies, shakes, or baby food, the results are consistently smooth and satisfying every time. Easy to clean. Nobody likes cleaning up a mess. That's why this blender's jar, blade, and lid are all dishwasher safe. Just pop them in and you're done. No scrubbing required. It's perfect for busy users who want great nutrition without the hassle of cleanup. Compact and space-saving design. Running low on kitchen space? No problem. This compact blender fits easily on small countertops, in dorm rooms, or office kitchens. It's lightweight, easy to store, and even easier to carry. Ideal for minimalists and small living spaces. Simple one-touch operation. Blending has never been easier. With just one touch, you can create nutrient-packed drinks or quick sauces in seconds. There's no complicated setup or multiple speed controls, just press, blend, and enjoy. It's truly beginner-friendly. Pros: extremely portable with travel cup, stainless steel blades for smooth blends, easy one-touch blending, dishwasher-safe parts, compact and lightweight for small spaces. Cons: small capacity, best for single servings, not suitable for heavy-duty blending, no battery, must be plugged in, no multiple speed settings, corded, limited mobility. Final thoughts: if you want a reliable and travel-ready blender for quick smoothies or shakes, the Hamilton Beach 51171 is a fantastic choice. It's powerful enough for your everyday needs, super easy to use, and perfect for compact spaces. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. Blend it your way, anywhere, anytime. Check the price link in the description and make your move. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for the latest in gadgets, expert gear tips, and weekly tech content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.